Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special to talk about. The Acer Aspire 3 A315 24PR7VH Slim Laptop. It's making waves in the laptop market, and we're here to tell you why it might just be the best 15-inch laptop out there. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about its design. The Acer Aspire 3 boasts a sleek and slim profile, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry around. Whether you're on the go or working from home, this laptop's purposeful design has got you covered. Now, the real star of the show is its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The visuals are stunning, with sharp details and crisp colors. The 16:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezels provide an immersive viewing experience, perfect for both work and entertainment. Under the hood, the Aspire 3 is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor with Radeon graphics. This means you get ready-to-go performance, ideal for multitasking and productivity. Whether it's work or play, this laptop has the performance and power you need. Speaking of power, it comes with 8GB of LPDDR5 onboard memory and a speedy 128GB NVMe solid-state drive for storage. This combination ensures fast data access and efficient multitasking. You won't have to worry about lag or slow loading times. Now, let's talk about the camera and audio. The HD front-facing camera uses Acer's TNR technology for high-quality imagery in low-light conditions. Plus, Acer Purified Voice technology with AI noise reduction ensures clear communication during online meetings, a must for remote work and video calls. In terms of connectivity, the Acer Aspire 3 doesn't disappoint. It features Wi-Fi 6 and 2x2 new MIMO technology, ensuring a strong and consistent wireless signal. You can count on a reliable connection wherever you are. Another impressive feature is the improved thermals. With a 78% increase in fan surface area and 17% more thermal capacity, you can enjoy longer, more efficient work sessions without worrying about overheating, even when you're not plugged in. Now, let's talk about the price. The Acer Aspire 3 A315 24PR7VH is currently available on Amazon at a fantastic Black Friday deal of just $249.99, down from its list price of $329.99. It's a steal for a laptop with these specs and features. To sum it up, the Acer Aspire 3 A315 24PR7VH Slim Laptop is a top-notch choice for those looking for a versatile and powerful 15-inch laptop. It's got a beautiful display, strong performance, and all the features you need for work and play. Plus, with that Black Friday deal, it's a no-brainer. If you're in the market for a new laptop, this one should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.